Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, welcome to the channel. Please consider subscribing. Cooking in an iron vessel is probably one of the best decisions that you will ever take for your family's health. If you regularly cook in an iron vessel, chances are that no one from your family is ever going to need an iron supplement, because the iron from the vessel leaches into your food while you cook in it. But cleaning an iron vessel and keeping it rust-free is quite a task. It takes a lot of effort, and yet we don't get satisfying results. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a technique that will help you keep it rust-free and keep it clean without any efforts. So let's get started. So these are the two vessels that I'm going to clean today. This is a smaller kadahi and this is the bigger one. I have already cleaned both of these with normal dishwashing liquid. However, we can see that there is a lot of oil accumulated here which further needs cleaning. And this is the vessel that I use daily for making my curries. We can see that this portion is still blackish, and then here also there are some tough stains. So the ingredients that we need for this purpose is baking soda and cleaning vinegar and hot water. Both these ingredients, the baking soda and the cleaning vinegar, is easily available in any grocery store. So here I have filled my kitchen sink with hot water. As my vessel is bigger, I have taken this much of water. You can take the hot water based on the size of your vessel. The vessel needs to be entirely submerged in the hot water. Now I am going to put these inside the water. Now I am going to pour vinegar and baking soda in it. Now I will let it sit as it is for almost 12 hours. Post that, I will scrub it with a dishwashing liquid. So guys, it's been 8 hours that it has been sitting in this. I didn't wait for 12 hours as my little one is napping right now, and I thought this is the best time to record this. As you can see that the color of water has already been changed. So now the things that we need further are a scrubber and a dishwashing liquid and gloves to wear in our hands while we scrub the vessel. Let's take it out of the water. Now we need to scrub it nicely with the dishwashing liquid. I can already see that the vessel has started changing color and it's already shiny. So after scrubbing for a little while, these are ready. Just buff it dry with a microfiber cloth and these are good to go. Don't they look shiny? Almost back to their original color. This is how an iron vessel is supposed to be. Post that, if you wish to, just pamper them a little more and coat them with a drop of oil. They will become even more shiny. So here they are sitting on my kitchen bench top, looking all shiny and looking like kings. This is a proof that everything and everyone needs a bit of pampering, don't they? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I will see you in my next video. Bye.